20 tons per truck. It's a lot of weight. So kind of going along with that, what can happen to our roads? I mean, what are they capable of handling this kind of tonnage?
It depends on the particular road. Our roads are designed with equivalent standard axle loadings, and that they assume a certain number of trucks. It converts basically all traffic in truck equivalency, and that's what our design is based on. So it would depend on the particular road, what it was designed on. It could have a very negative impact, cutting the life by 20% or more, or it may have a very minor impact, and it would depend on what the road was designed to and what the age of the road is at the time. Most of our surfaces last about 20 years. So that road was actually designed for about twice the traffic that it's currently handling. And so the truck life on that would probably not be an issue in the remaining 10 years or so of life.
So
I do want to say one thing, though, what Mr. Howell said here, and especially for the township officials and city officials. What I think I heard he said is that you're not going to have any control basically anymore. Because right now the current law is in Minnesota, if somebody comes and applies for a use for a property that maybe is not covered, or maybe just is a little iffy, most governments have 60 days to make a decision. And if you want to study it some more, you can just adopt a moratorium, and you can get a 1-year moratorium, study it some more. You can get another year moratorium if you want to study it some more, if you have enough facts to back you up. Now, if I hear from Senator Howell is correct, they're going to say, well, if a mining company comes and applies for a permit, another county doesn't have a moratorium, too bad. They're not going to have a moratorium. That's really concerning to me. I believe especially the town officials really need to take a look at what's going on with that.
let's say they went, what rights would the property owners have that are right adjacent to a site or up to 3 miles away? Because our research shows that up to 3 miles away, you're still going to have property value loss. So are there any rights that a homeowner would have?
I'd say very little. I mean, if a person has using their land that's permitted by a county or township ordinance, I think any kind of loss that a homeowner would incur would be speculative, and to try and prove it in court would be very difficult. So I would take a case like that and see what the only you're on it.